In this video, we will understand refraction of light through a prism. Refraction of light through a prism is a phenomenon where light waves change direction as they pass through the prism due to a change in the speed of light as it travels from one medium to another. Prisms are transparent optical elements, usually made of glass or another transparent material, with a triangular or polygonal cross section. It has two triangular bases and three rectangular lateral surfaces. These surfaces are inclined to each other. The angle between its two lateral faces is called the angle of the prism. Now, let's understand how refraction occurs through a glass prism. In animation, you can see a glass prism. Now, let's consider a light ray, P, E, incident on prism surface. When this ray enter into glass prism, medium of light ray, change air to glass, due to change in medium, light ray get refracted. The refracted ray, EF, incident, on the other surface of the prism. When light ray exit the glass prism, the direction changes again. Due to change in medium, light ray refracted again. But this light ray refract downwards as it goes from glass to air. Now, draw perpendicular at the incident point on the both side of glass prism. Now let's understand some important terms we use to represent refraction through glass prism. Incident ray. An incident ray is a ray of light that approaches and strikes a surface such as the surface of a prism or any other optical medium. It is the initial direction of light before it interacts with the surface. Refracted ray. A refracted ray is a ray of light that changes direction as it passes from one medium to another. This change in direction occurs due to the difference in the speed of light between the two media. Emergent ray. An emergent ray is a ray of light that exits a medium, such as a prism, after undergoing refraction within that medium. It is the direction of light after it has passed through the medium. Angle of incidence. The angle of incidence is the angle formed between the incident ray and the normal, perpendicular line to the surface at the point of incidence. Angle of refraction. The angle of refraction is the angle formed between the refracted ray and the normal to the surface at the point of refraction. Angle of emergence. The angle of emergence is the angle formed between the emergent ray and the normal to the surface at the point of emergence from the medium. It is the angle at which the refracted ray exits the medium. Angle of the prism. The angle of the prism is the angle formed between the two surfaces of the prism at the apex or vertex of the prism. Angle of deviation. The angle of deviation is the angle formed between the incident ray and the emergent ray when passing through a prism or any other optical device. It is the angle by which the refracted ray is displaced from its original direction. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like and subscribe our channel.